Bitcoin is still the king of crypto, valued at over $2 trillion and recognized globally as the most dominant digital asset. But cracks are starting to show. Bitcoin's slow transaction speeds, high fees, and lack of scalability make it less practical in a world that's quickly shifting toward DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 applications. That's where Bitcoin Hyper enters the picture. Marketed as a next-gen Bitcoin Layer 2, Hyper promises faster speeds, lower costs, and full dApp integration. And it's not just hype, its presale has already raised more than $13 million, showing strong demand from investors. The problems Bitcoin faces are well known. It processes only about 7 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 21 TPS today, and a roadmap toward 100,000 TPS in the future. Visa and MasterCard can handle up to 65,000 TPS, putting Bitcoin's limitations into perspective. On top of that, fees often spike to double or even triple digits during congestion, and governance moves so slowly that upgrades can take years. Bitcoin Hyper aims to solve these issues. By acting as a Layer 2 roll-up chain powered by the Solana virtual machine, Hyper can scale Bitcoin's throughput into the thousands of transactions per second. Instead of paying $10, $20 or more in fees, users will be able to send transactions for a fraction of a cent. On top of that, Hyper brings smart contracts to Bitcoin, enabling DeFi, NFTs, staking, and tokenized assets, all secured by Bitcoin's consensus layer. Importantly, Hyper doesn't isolate Bitcoin. It offers interoperability with Ethereum, Solana, and other major chains, making it a hub for cross-chain liquidity. In other words, Hyper isn't competing with Bitcoin, it's supercharging it, turning BTC from just digital gold into programmable financial infrastructure. This has big implications. Bitcoin's brand as digital gold is already unmatched, and institutions like BlackRock and VanEck have poured billions into ETFs. But much of this capital sits idle because Bitcoin lacks scalable rails. Hyper provides those rails, positioning itself as the missing link between Bitcoin's $2 trillion dominance and the world of DeFi. The presale has captured massive attention, raising over $13 million so far and building momentum every week. Investors see Hyper as a leveraged play on Bitcoin's next adoption cycle, one that's cheaper, faster, and programmable. Community hype has been strong too, with the project trending across Telegram and X under terms like Next 100x BTC Alt. For those looking for exposure to Bitcoin's brand, but with the upside potential of an early-stage infrastructure play, Bitcoin Hyper's presale is one of the most compelling opportunities right now. With scalability, DeFi integration, and over $13 million already raised, Hyper could be a major catalyst in the next phase of Bitcoin's story.